think before the talk. I feel like I just saw this thing, brethren. When you go protest now, you think it's going to happen now? You got to talk about, peaceful protest. There's no such thing as peaceful protest because police are going to come and antagonize, and something are going to go on, them are going to provoke, and some way. You understand me? I say? So now come tell me about a peaceful protest. Don't tell me about that. We need to get people out to go vote. We need to use the same corruption with this man have over him head to go out and make people know this type of man and vote against him. Within the last couple months, and then I think about protest. Me don't want to hear about a protest. One side of the protest, brethren. I'm not busy if you want to vex. It come like say everybody dying to get an election and you come like you try to push the election further from away. Try to push the election further from away and paint one bad image on our leader. Because what? You know what I'm going to say? I'm not calling organize a protest. That them going to say, You have to think wisely and tread lightly. Realize that Mark Golden is a change to Jamaica right now. Why we want to jeopardize him for our satisfaction. For just go up there because say, yes, we can protest. And who are going in the hot water? Yes, we can. The best person, the only person. We can. No, we can. Feedback. You understand? The only person we can at least take out of the dilemma here, the only person where them actually fearing the Jamaica Labour Party right now is Mark Golden. And it come like someone want to give up that man for just phone satisfaction. To go out there for say, yeah, we can protest. Big man, me I work with a Mark Golden. Say Mark Golden never tell me for protest or fuck anybody else want to come with them protest solutions. When it decide in mind to do that, then me will take up myself and go out there and protest. Mark Golden not had no protest. The gen set not had no protest. When you stop come talk them something the brethren.
You can't protest the judge. You can't protest the judge ruling the way the brother. So what tell you them thing there? Them don't know what them are.
Protest and we chat too much on internet and this and that and we not do nothing.
A style is that. A style is that. I want
to brother and act for yourself, me dan.
I want to do that. A style is that, man.
Man, can't do that. Him frustrated. You don't know why I saw the body. That's the last thing.
Be frustrated too, but me have to think wise. You have to think wise.
So well, caution. Caution on the bridge. Me and on the road still, you know. So I drive now. Me see you come out now. So me want to hear what really go on because I never get to listen because me can't one lady go somewhere and me never really hear. How I really go on? Me never really hear still. How the ruling thing go? Because I never hear.
Oh yeah. Him win the something to go get the judiciary.
Well, at that me that show and tap on some programs say watch ya. You see this man, the one of them corrupt, man. And him now go let him go so, but him go put it off. And I see same thing happen now.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Time can't win, him can't win, you know. Him can't win, but he will get time to put off if he delay it. I delay it at it, you know. I just delay it at it.
Yeah, delay it at it.
Yeah, he can't win, I delay it at it. He can never can win that.
But you know, it can also be good and bad. Because you in front of the court for your statutory declaration, it can use against you too. As well, it can be in defense. But I think him rather take the gamble for not have that report revealed to the public before the general election.
So well I know. So the rest we can look here, you know. If him Lego the whole of the rest of man, them have to go Lego too, you know.
That is where man fight for. But me not thinking that end up get for let go. I think it's just a strategy.
Yeah, man.
Kind of keep the him like him and try to keep himself clean. So he won't have nothing right now upon him name. So he would just make it look like say, oh, them people are attacking me.
So the review now, my brother, now, I where I go, which court am I go to with that? Because now try Supreme to come out, you know. Where am I going at the court, you know?
Supreme Court, man. Them just approving the right.
Same Supreme Court, same way. Same Supreme Court, same way, I go try.
Yeah, man.
Well, me I tell you, say this man, if this man no come out to Rasta, me know it already. This man are dangerous, you know, brother. Me I tell you, you know, the man have the whole of them in them pocket, you know. He have the whole of them in him pocket. The whole of them in him pocket.
Andrew must go. No.
Yeah. Because you want something, you don't want nothing plain than that. If the IC if the IC rule and then bring it to the court, what plain than that you could have want? What plain than that? You then hold on. If the IC with the body was set up, international man come in and everything, and you care and you go say, boy, you give him judicial review. That means who if I were me or you or anybody else, we're not dead. We're not dead, you know?
Yeah. That doesn't sure.
Why am I use a strategy? Man must try use a strategy to uproar people in my country, frustrate the people in my country.
Because 2 more than you today, you know.
Buy enough time when can buy.
You know?
That's my buy enough time when can buy.
2 more than the house here, you know. I same thing them gonna do, you know. You know what them gonna do the same thing do.
Yeah, everybody are going to challenge.
Everybody go do the same way like when because I in them a follow because the whole of my same table. So you see when them 2 Lego you know, when them 2 Lego you know, them a go do the same thing, you know. Like what him do now, you know. And
exactly,
them have to go do. Yeah, them just him have to go do just like what they do him. Them have to go do them too, you know. They have to go give them the same thing too, you know. So you see the tactics. In blood class.
But we as the PNP now have to just stay focused, keep the pressure up on them same way. The brother they will come and talk about demonstration. And so demonstration go virgin.
No, you can't do that.
8 months left your election call, you know. Or 6 or 7 months, depends, you know.
Remember the court.
And if you forgot do nothing in our country right now, it's all pressure. Pressure, you know, because this alright. Them disrupt the country, state of emergency in can call and use that against. We push back the election way back again.
So them not give no date. Them not give no Him not give no date and him have to go. I'm out. Pick a date when he want. Yeah?
Well, I'm not here.
Right now, because of me see it, Andrew afraid to call election. Afraid bad to call it. But if he call it tomorrow, he not go lose.
Yes, and I use strategy. In
I use it. I don't want to call it because if he call it, I'm going to go there and go work for my only can win.
The man I frustrate the people in every way. The man make sure say no road now fix nothing now do. So I try to frustrate everybody if he come out and start a riot. If him call the state of emergency and way. And then there's no election. Election I forgot back maybe for the next 1 year or 2 years time before. And them strategy the man I use. I'm talk it now. Mala talk it, you know.
We not demonstrate for them, you know. Because
exactly, brother. So man I can talk about demonstration. Fuck them attack, brother.
Next month and next year start. So we know no demonstration right
now.
Election.
Me look for election can like June, July. Can't look for go no further. After I budget.
Next budget now I'm gonna read, man. Me I tell you that. Next budget now I'm gonna read.
It already. You see promise when I the light bill. It a go read.
No, that's why I tell you say people I'm go find out say a fraud matter. Because when the people understand now, the people when Billy say like big I go cut in half, you know, like you have listen now. The people, some people when Billy say like when you have pay 20,000, you go pay 10, you know. And that when enough people mind, you know. But when they realize say it's going to go $300 or $400, you go save, you know. Remember say people more realize say a jail trip again because saving $400 come like nothing, you know, brother. And that the people will believe, you know. They will believe say no cut it in half. You
And the
understand?
Andrew
Oh.
part in JPS, I must say Jamaica sell out JPS, a 3% Jamaica having a it.
So,
Not
so, so,
JPS.
so there's no way on earth. Because we ain't talking, you know, and talking like when we ain't come with the 1.5 the time, you know, and people believe say $18,000 when you're not work, you get $18,000, you know. And that people can say you can build a room with the save it up, build a room, you can buy a car, you can make up and buy a car. Say that, you know. And when the people realize that nothing no go so. So we ain't talk this, you know. Because when you talk it first, you know, me I say Ransford, then man will cut like $1.5 million, you know. But when he explained to me, I said no. I know so you go, the 7%. I know so you go. And when you work it out and show me, say, boy, you doing $400 you go save. And if you boss, sorry.
The whole I labor right them forward. Because me have something for drop pound in the morning and you know, act like a party, you know, taste this party, you know, out of the wolf, you know. I want to look forward and feel like say. You know, come man, first thing, when you see me go live and support me, listen to Blake, hold on Blake. Hold on Blake, hold on man. You have something.
Yeah.
All of them. I want to look forward. More with all the life. No. You reach all the bills, then I gotta start telling you when me are telling you. And I gotta see what really go on this man. You know, on yourself, man. You know, you see, you know, I gotta have them tell you when this come about 10 o'clock, what time I know? It's about 1 o'clock. When I just have a couple hours of celebration till my bus in the bubble, man. You understand me? I say, so, no one have to hear other people view and opinion. You can come up in the box and give a view. Want to think about the ruling this morning for the Prime Minister for Judicial review. That's how I want. And on the top of the live and share it and get it up. If we can get 100 person upon the live, I'm going to drop this. I want all the labor at them come. You check me and say, forward you look forward this get calling. Don't worry yourself, man. You don't worry yourself. You don't worry yourself about forward. You think I so forward go. We could do one video and show it out. Do a video. That's a step like
Caution. No pay them no man. Come let me tell you something. This a go lick back the wall of them. A PNP. Them come right here. Sydney and the wall of we did expect this. Wall of we did no say. This never did our better than how it got. We didn't know from the bottom of our heart all over that we know it never did our God different from how it got today. And more time on top of time, because honestly, we have to look on the thing again, you know. If it ever come out a different way, make me tell you something, a civil rivalry, I will lick out in your kid, you know. Let me tell you something, man.
They not no talk, my friend. They not no talk because right now him no Lego.
In no Lego, him not get when. Let me tell you something. When they want to call election now or call it when, we have to keep our head for our body. Nobody not get up and go out and put on yourself in no problem. No. Put back the country in a state of emergency.
Sister, it in a court, you know. All right. You know, I prove to know. He prove all who when I say it is done, are it done? They must realize no say it not done because in a court they must know say aye. Them see say no, because when I talk about say it done, not no United done. See there? You see say they are court now. Good.
Sydney. We are trying to give everybody a little time to talk. You understand? So when
okay, yeah man. Yeah man. Yeah man.
Step like.
Yeah, my brother, walk on. Yeah, I heard that labor rights celebrating. I don't really hear any of them. But I don't know what they are celebrating for. Because this is not anything for them to celebrate. Because the fact is that the court just grant him the judicial review to see if his constitutional right was breached, and if the IC by the Integrity Commission.
Basically, right? What the court just admit is that there is something for Andrew to answer to. That's why he's bringing
answer to in court.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
you see, the whole thing about this is that what Andrew will have to now do is to the thing what he's hiding from the IC, he will now have to present it to the court to prove that, to prove his case. That is exactly what he'll have to do, So it opened the case even further, because if he lied to the IC, he cannot lie to the court. He'll have to reveal everything to the court. And the only good thing in this for Andrew Holness is that he will be able to probably drag this thing out until after the election, because when it is in court, you can't speak about it that much. And I believe that is his intention. His intention is to drag it. But when I look at it, I think eventually he's gonna end up losing. The court is gonna rule against him, because the court, remember, it is not only Andrew Holness alone who have to go through this process, right? Everybody who works with the government have to go through this process. And he is the only one who have a problem with it, because the opposition leader have to go through the same process that he's complaining about. Other member of parliament went through it. Only Andrew and his other 7 member of parliament have a problem with it. So the court is going to also look into that.
All right, well, I understand. I really want to
it's gonna open up a lot.
Listen, I personally think that a lot of people are not looking at what's going on. So I got ask, the whole lot come up here, so on the sound of opposite. I want some more people who can come up. When I can't come up, I got tell you no worry that one. Because all of this one I talk right now, you not even understand what's going on. With the explanation, the this, the that, it's way deeper than that. That is the least of the problem. And I think sometimes we have to observe before you understand, we really speak about certain things. I'm not hear no. One person alone me here touch something close to it, and I'm Blake Brown. Yeah, man, Labor can join to man. Come up, man. Blake Brown got the closest. Come up, man. Send a request, man. To actually log on.
Yeah, man, may I pre certain things caution, but
Yeah, man, you got the closest to log on.
yeah, man, cause from you see the man knows this all come. The man a play chess, Minister Andrew Stephen and the man say that man love to play chess.
Yeah.
You see me? So the chess the man a play, the man knows this all come on, and he must set up in pieces. Then when it come, him can
on the top of the screen, man, you give me some taps. Bring me got 6,000 taps. I'm telling you what.
Yeah, so the man
on the top of the screen, man, give me 6,000 taps. I'm telling you what. 6,000.
All right. So the man give the judge them 300% raise open. So one of them would have come in at 15 feet. I saw me a pray it. You see me?
Yeah.
So this case to me a 50-50, the guy will just step like you're too confident in the judicial system, Virgin. You too confident. The man bribe them with a 300% raise. So you don't know how it will fall, which judge it will come in front of. You see me? So it's 50-50 for me, how it will turn out.
Yeah, man. 60,000. I'm telling me, showing the wagwan. So me put up. No, I'm not go so far, man. The people in finger get tired, man. I just want 6,000 taps and share it, and see the labor at them and run there already. Them no want hear you soon get road worker. That you talk about, Christine. That you talk about. Who this I send request? So the company on the box, man. Black man. Me here we have to say black man before me say what me answer. Yeah, man. Bring class people, man.
So what? That's the last said. Them not yeah. Greetings to everyone. You see me?
Yeah, wagwan.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah, wagwan. You come to tell me, yeah.
Yeah. We just want to kind of join with the man that we just don't talk, you know, because I say, boy, I'm not really trust the justice system. If you say, boy, I'm go rule against Andrew, you know. I don't know to say, to the thing corrupt in Jamaica, anything possibly, you know, although the man guilty as charged, you know, but brother, at the end of the day, the only thing we are going to start, say, boy, justice system no fear when they let him go, but it's very possible.
Very possible. I like what you say.
Yeah,
I like
you know,
what you say.
because system corrupt, remember me tell you that.
All right, now.
Yeah.
Can I say something else? Let me say something before you leave, because I'm going to leave now.
Yeah.
Andrew Holness will not, let me tell you something. I don't think them can let him go. And the reason why I said that, if them let go Andrew Holness, it's going to have an impact on the money laundering things, law that they also set up, because it's basically nearly the same thing.
Yeah.
You see what I say? So that's all I have to say. And the money laundering law is not just in Jamaica, it is international.
Yeah.
So it's a thing that the United States is behind as well. Because you have to give all of your information so that how you get your money, you know. And that's the reason why nowadays when we have to take out an account to the bank, we have to tell them how we get money, how much money we are worth. And any money we have to tell them how we get it, how we come by.
All right, step life.
Yeah, me understand that. Me understand what you say, but John, no, brother, me just not trust them, you know.
So what I know, the people them give me the taps got to 6,000, so I'm going to show you what really are going on. Because the closest person will touch the surface are Blake Brown. So if you read this now, it will show you, say, him get the grant for whatsoever, the Inter Commission. Justice Althea Barrett. Remember the name there. Althea Barrett. I'm going to show you what I'm going on now. So, Althea Barrett now was one of the 7 judges them were sworn in 2023 by this man right here, so the people when nobody know like. I don't think she in the picture yeah, but her name in them. It depends here. See it there? And you know, just look it up and see it. Now, this Althea Barrett, when I read this now, this was a case in I remember the year. This thing I think in 2021 before she turned the pursuing or whatever they want to call a judge there. So look now, we have Malao Ford, Attorney General, and Althea Jarrett. You remember the name there? They were on the same case against who this? Who them did I go against? Who them ever got it? Michael Hilton, Dana Scott Madley, and whatsoever. On follow what go on right so now? I want to understand what I try to say.
Yeah, man, we understand where you go, Caution.
That means that Malao Ford and this woman work together on a case for the government already. So why is it that now Andrew Holness make sure to represent himself, so him now represent as the government and use the same judge with work for theme party, the Jamaica Labour Party, to preside over the hearing for the judiciary review. So you must expect that him going to get the leave. Guess everybody last now, don't?
But yes, it could be, that could be so, you know, and you could be right. But remember, you know, we are talking about the wider case, you know, when it goes to the case start now, is that same judge is gonna preside over it? I don't think so. And it's about, remember, so we have a Chief Justice who basically always know he's not partial.
So,
right? The Chief Justice where we have.
Listen. I guess I now get the concept of what going in a step like I see me so people that talk what they you know say must rule in the Integrity Commission favor. Where you see happen now? Me never surprised. All I surprised.
No, I wasn't saying that. I wasn't saying that. I was saying it's a 50-50. Well, no, because you have to look upon it, you know. I wasn't saying it's after ruling at the integrity.
All right, listen what me I say. I understand what you say, and you see my opinion is that all of this was actually staged from day one. The mere fact that Malawi Ford, the Attorney General at that time, worked along with Althea Jarrett, you understand, with few other judges, right, to defend a case for the government must strike some kind of thing in your brain for say, wait there. So why has she preside over the hearing? I think personally that she should have not been the person to sit in this hearing to give this man the judicial review based on the fact that she was one who was working with the government at a time. I think she's she represents right here, so probably as a lawyer. You understand me? I said, mute your mind a little bit. She represents right here, so as a lawyer. Let me read out the case file. Oh, make on see what man. You check for me, I say, yeah man, nobody, none of the labor right them now comment no, cause you see your life fuck up on you know. See your life fuck up on the bridging. Sometimes you don't know for jump for joy too early. As a matter of fact, in 2011, she was called to the bar, right? She worked she called to the insane. She joined the chambers. Yeah, she joined the chambers in 2011 at a Jamaica court system as a judge. So we know, see, the Labour Party actually installed the lady, the Labour Party, and the lady Labour right government, them installed this woman. 1995, she called to the bar. She used to work at St. Kitts and she used to work at the bar in Antigua and Barbuda. You understand? So I want to get the file now, go back and get the file, the court case. When I just did I read out to you. You understand? I want to get back the case then. Wait there. Wait the woman, wait there. So my thing is not looking at what got happening in the long run. My thing is looking at why them are trying to make a long run. Remember, Malawi Ford is pushing for the new constitution. And listen, I'm telling you this, man. You see, anybody will have faith in the Jamaica Labour Party and the judicial system will just get knocked. Will just get knocked because it's a reason why them are push for the new constitution for shape. You understand me? I say this is not about winning a case. This is about buying time. Time. And the only way you can get rid of this is if PNP win the election. You cannot trust the judicial system to go make a ruling at this present day against Andrew Holness. You understand me? I say you cannot. So even though we're there and we are pre and we say, yeah man, the case looks strong and this and that. When the new constitution come, what will happen now? The court system will change. The more we find a court for the Court of Appeal. Then no one go CCJ. What if things are going to change? Andrew Holness could have become the Prime Minister of Jamaica without no impeachment. In the Constitution, the president cannot be charged with fraud, murder, or one other charge there. So if him got on president, this is where we are fight for right, so just gone through the window. Because him immune from them prosecution there. You understand me? I say, Andrew Holness is a man them I think in the future. You look or them strategize them movements, strategize them agency, them positions. Why is it that they move the DPP office gone up at Ministry of Justice? The DPP office, you know, says a part of the government, but why not reach in the government office? Ministry of Justice, come on. The whole of them up there now are going to knock champagne. Whole of them up there are going to knock champagne. And it's so easy now You know what go on, because you're so close. And like one time you have to drive, go downtown, go to the DPP office. You just go over to the next part of the apartment. What go on DPP? What go on senior prosecutor? All of them now in the justice ministry and the DPP are going to become friends. How could we possibly live with that now? The people who are supposed to defend like we from evil government, gone in the government office, gone shelter. You check what me I say? So, this what them say, all right now. Blah, 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 no. So, Michael Hinton, Queen's Counsel, Donna Scott Manley, Jennifer Olson, and Steve Fraser, Sophia Fraser Binns. Okay.
Caution.
Yo.
Let me just say something, you know. Can you say it?
Yeah.
Remember say, you know, this no call for no celebration because look here, everybody who have a case like that or the other have a right to judicial review, you know. It's not a thing like say, I just him, you know. Enough people get judicial review, you know, brother. That no means that you get where, you know. It just give you more time and bring up back the case again to a different set of a judge or so, you know, brother. And like say, him get where. So if you celebrate a police, them a celebrate. And just time, it must a buy time. So you know make well more celebrate for. And this what we I more and make sister boy see that who know when I say the case done, the IC from the IC say yeah it done at them. When I say so you know. So you prove to know say it's not done. It in a court same way. Them still have to go back to court and like so them say boy the man free from all things. If I went that this man them could have celebrate. But at those time you my boy. So if them celebrate now it come like a bag of rubbish, it come prove to we say yes. The man in a deep shit. So them realize that it's not called for no celebration by them. At least a week we celebrate. Because at least we can say, boy, him not get where. Him still in a court. You see?
Caution as to the man, we caution as to the man, a move. It's like chess, you know. You play a proper chess. A chess. My
the man says the country is not with him. So man buy all the time in can buy for try get back the people but them in a film palm.
Because I know one that come before election, you know. And
exactly.
Them not give a date, you know. Me no hear a date. That means if for him and the people must set a date for that now. And him liar must set a date. They must set a long date.
Yeah, bro. Just like how they do Mama Cow.
Right.
What time, brother? Time.
They set a long date. They would have set all a year. Because them talk about right now. You see,
Caution. You basically I say the same thing when I say, you know, the only part where we differ is that you are saying that the lady shouldn't get, that judge shouldn't get to preside over the.
That's
over
a conflict. She
when I say
represent the government before. So
but what I'm saying. Let me tell you first.
Only represent
me personally, hold on now. Me personally have confidence in the judiciary at Jamaica. I think every other department of government is corrupted by and polluted by Andrew Holness. The judiciary is only what we have left. But if we continue to keep, if Andrew Holness continue to go on, it may eventually get there, but we have a chief justice who we can
step light. A former deputy attorney general, right?
Yeah.
Should preside over a case of Andrew Holness.
And I disagree with you, but I don't disagree with you.
If you see that, how can me have trust in the judicial system?
You have too much confidence in
but it no reach. Well, just as what Sydney said a while ago. It's just the first stage, this is brother.
Oh, she can't pass over it. No, she can't pass. She can't pass over it. She
can't preside over it because this is
man. Listen, man. in a reach big court now, no. If I have big court now,
that is exactly what I tell them.
if I in a big court
You know?
now, it's like I reach a big court now, she can't do this or now. This or now.
Yeah, man.
She
We
can't
have
never
too much confidence now.
preside over that.
We know man.
That
the
is
man
exactly
with
what I try to
champion.
tell them.
The man
Me-
named champion where them say can't lose. And the things say good him good. And the
Brethren,
good him good, the system corrupt. And the man them go to
case.
use them system. With the
Brethren,
money I think, Palmer money I think, and that's so the man them win case.
smooth
And the good
case,
him good.
Yes, him just use the power and have this so. And just this same use the power and have, you know.
brethren.
But as a
This is
said,
not a case where Andrew Holness win, you know. So I don't
Exactly.
want to argue it like Andrew
Yeah,
Holness win a case.
Win what?
But you not argue it like him win a case. He doesn't win a case.
No, him not say him win the case, you know. Him a say the man a set up moves down the line. He must say him a look down the future. So you don't know if
Yeah, but
this
down
man
the
step
line
one,
now go
I
help
might
him
put
because
an
him
ex-
now go have the Chief Justice who probably is the man who is gonna preside it over this case, and the Chief Justice is a man where we can trust because we have seen where the Chief Justice ruled
that I heard,
against
that I
Andrew
heard.
Holness more than one time.
Yeah. That a your thing there. We don't call it now opinion or somebody who knew that. The man is the Chief Justice.
But we are expressing opinion here, brother. Because we don't know
Yes,
what go really happen.
Chief Justice. So what if another Chief Justice get the case now? What if?
Well, Anna, the Chief Justice can determine who get the case. Cause him go have something to do with the case. Cause and the Prime Minister him a deal with. So
Stay
most
live.
likely the Chief Justice is the man who is gonna preside over the case.
Stay
And
live.
everything will have to go through feed him and we
and
see
so we
that
have to
man
still,
who,
I just time him about. I just about
All right.
enough
I just
time.
time him
Just
about.
touch him about.
That's just it.
Step life. Well, Andy, step life. Why this woman not give a date then? For sure you say we caution on me and even extend you say he's right. Why she not give a date?
Well,
then?
Anna, yeah, me
Well,
not
Anna,
say caution
me
wrong
ask
with
you a
what I
question,
say, you
man.
know.
Me know, but
But
me ask you
I
a
couldn't
question
tell you
now.
why she
Why
don't
you-
get a date, but I'm saying I disagree with what caution I said. I
Me know,
don't
man.
know, I have no way of
Me
verifying it, but I'm saying
Me ask you a
Andrew
question now.
Holness.
And you me ask a question, you know. Me say why you believe the woman not set a date?
No, she.
I don't think well, and you are telling me say she not set a date, you know.
Let me know you
Why-
no date. Me everything I not see no date. Cause see the report pan the thing I not see no date pan it. I'm not hear nobody say no date. And see the thing pan caution and show it yeah. Me not see no date pan it. See like
Well-
how the first step them I set it under the 6th which is today. One make she could have set a date and say why the 10th of January, February, March, April.
Yeah, I don't go along with no still.
Well, I know, you know why the
I
date
just
not,
your
well, you
position, I
know
will
why
give
the
them
date,
opinion.
you know why the date not set? Because him and his lawyer them, I go get a judge. Oh, them piece of boy we give them a long time after election. What it and see?
And I saw it going on, man. The Chief
You know how we
Justice.
go then? Tell me how we go then. All
and
you
the Chief
piece they go.
Justice in charge of the whole judicial system at that level, you know. So, and a man can't just come in and say, I'm going to choose some people to do something, and you know. And I said,
No, me
well,
a-
I said,
no,
you
you
know,
still not
that's the
answer me
only
good.
department we have in government that we can really rely upon now, the judiciary.
No,
because
foolish
every
step.
other
If you
system
say that
corrupt.
now, you talk foolish in step line. Because the two cases before we just read here, I want policeman where we have to pay back a bag of money where they say when killing wife. Remember down the country where he come from. And in that prison. And them send you a court of foreign, the Supreme Court, think the court, and we pay him a bag of money because the man say I put him in killing wife. And cartel again, where them do the foolishness and he set back and cartel this and that. So, boy, you have confidence that them are obviously them two.
And the justice system said that, brother. I
Oh,
persecution.
you mean on the
messed up
job?
that.
But me don't understand.
I
me.
persecution
that-
messed up
that's
that.
You don't know what you're talking about.
What you mean you know
A
when me
totally
talk?
different thing that we are talking
Well,
about.
justice system.
A persecution of the thing that, brother. Totally
What a
different thing that,
justice system,
virgin.
brother. One of them no name justice at the justice system. I don't know what you say.
A different thing this we are talking about. You are talking about prosecution of the case. We all know what cause cartel case. Hold on.
You not hear what me say.
We don't want to differ from
Me
the
ask me
point.
say,
where we
hold
are
on, man.
But
Hold on, man. Me ask a question. Me say, oh, you have faith tonight after you see them thing there. Me never say I eat this.
Oh, you mean how me have faith tonight?
After you see them case there. Oh, you have
Brethren, no justice system. Listen to what me ask you. You ask a question.
Roughly 3 more steps you have to go.
Of course, you have about 3 more steps.
If them feel a step again, they can appeal it.
Them a behave like say the man win the case.
Exactly.
Them a follow go down the same road where the labor writer go down.
This
is just a judicial review. The man get
no, we
to
not
continue.
go down the line there. No, we just say you have too much confidence.
I think you have too much faith.
So what? Hold on. What do you mean we have too much confidence in the justice system?
No, man.
No, you are saying everything we have left.
Uptown go prison in Jamaica ever in your lifetime.
You said everything we have left for that.
But hold on. You ever see any of them get tried? And the fact that
a lot of them get
hold on, just listen to me now. Listen to me, let me explain something to you. Let me explain something to you. Because you don't really understand all this thing.
What do you mean you don't understand?
You asked me, you said to me, if me ever see anybody uptown go in at the prison yet. Right? But we never see none of them reach at this level in the justice system. We know, we say that you can make a opinion. We say, boy, the justice system now work.
So,
Yes, that level. Hold on, brethren, just hold on, man, and stop jumping when you hear me attack. At that level, at the level of the police, the justice system may not work, dear stuff. But when you read,
oh, tell me no nonsense in the morning now, please.
You're nonsense in my talk, brother.
Oh, tell me no nonsense, big man. I don't know where you come from with this. Where you are with this, but a pure bullshit you talk right now. And we can hear more numerous amount of cases, but nothing to come out of it. Nothing at all.
Me don't know step life get them, my brother. Me don't know.
So me don't know how you
Because me not look to say nothing come out of Mama D case neither. Nothing. Because every amount of time we can get brethren. And nothing come out of it. So now it's not come out of that neither.
somebody mute me on the thing here, but what you say, what you mean me attack?
Listen, you have to get mute, brother. You talk bullshit about confidence in a justice system, brethren.
So you don't have confidence in a justice system?
No, I mean, if you have confidence in a justice system, I'm just could I show you, said the woman will preside over the case.
Hold on. How much case the PNP win?
In a bad man. The woman will just preside over the case and grant the man the judicial review. Do that work with the government as a deputy attorney general.
And at 23 she come in. 23 she come in. 23 she come in.
Over the case. She should have not and never showed no time in this. That a mere conflict of interest because you are go against a boss.
Yeah, you're coming 23.
Andrew Holness.
Then that alone making have confidence in the justice system.
Yeah, no more.
Of course. Of course.
Yeah,
then
suppose
to the man better go on here, man. Yo, go on here, man. Because suppose to get a different judge.
Move me from this, man. Can't pay a fuck you not. Move out of this. Take out of this.
Well, you can't jump out yourself. Why not jump out yourself? We are showing you the thing on your backs. Why you vex for? We have a two different opinions. And we are talking which one go to and you go vex and talk about
we see so many cases. Even
Why you
the X5 case. Everybody thinks that man that get charged for the youth.
Blacking.
Who say we have confidence in the justice system?
Why you go vex? Why you vex for? So we not say what you are saying. Man, you're just fool. Tell them where we go, man.
No, but you have so many cases. The X5, the man who drive and kill the KC, shoot in the car and kill the KC. Everybody think the man that go to prison. The man walk free. So this man has him have confidence in the justice system.
Hey.
It's 50-50 for me. it depends on which judge it fall, it go in front of. Because the man give the judge them 300% raise, so it depends on which judge the case go in front of.
What you believe give them that? I come and chat from there, so. Start them set them and give him big money. So they start buy from there, so. I have a beg to him and attack. Say, man, me not like.
So what if we get a more neutral judge and the judge rules say, listen, you know, you can't do a judicial review, you know. They tell me, say, you have to have trust and faith in a system like that. We select somebody. So who did I select the judge them for oversee? This a judicial review, whatsoever you want to call it. Never remember, say, this woman I used to work for the Prime Minister. Them never know, say, that woman I used to work for the Prime Minister, Altia Jarrett. Them never know, say, she was a Deputy Attorney General for the government. Them never remember that. And then put she now in front of this man. And look how much of that judge down they could and sit down in front time and make the judgment. If I let any other judge do it, I would have no problem. But why it have to be that woman? She's not the only judge down there. So you want to tell me, say no, me can't have my mother who is a judge, right? And my auntie who is a judge, right? Or, me not even going to go so far, so deep, because we know the answer to that. But say, for example now, me work with a law firm as a lawyer, and the person who me used to work with as a lawyer becomes a judge in a court. You think say them are going to put me, I think it's right for them put me in front of the judge there for try case for people and them something there? What is the selection process like to select judges to sit and govern a case, to make judgment on case? You just fling anybody so we don't check in and say, well then, no. The person used to work with Andrew, you know, we can't put you to go over that case. We have to put somebody else. That person that never have no affiliation with Andrew Holness. We could put that person there. You check on me and say, what fate? You know, a lot of Jamaican people right now disappointed by the ruling that happened this morning. A lot of Jamaican people are very much disappointed. Because of who it rule in favor? Who it rule in favor? Him. Me say, them have faith in the justice system. The one person who have faith in is Justice Sykes. And as a judge, you cannot, when you are the chief judge, there are certain things that you cannot do. You have to act accordingly. And I don't think this man can just go and say, hey, me, I pick up this case here. That people just understand in a bridging. Them understand how the Jamaica Labour Party are trying to wrap its tentacles around with police force, with judicial system, everything. It is a bad thing for Andrew Holness. It is a bad thing. We are in the hike of an election right now. Why never resign and go do a judicial review? It's not a bad thing. But resign and go do the judicial review. Why you want to stay in a power and do the judicial review? Why? That doesn't make sense. Why in a step away and go do a judicial review? It's if it's not a bad thing. It's a good thing. Every citizen entitled to it. But when you have the Prime Minister, right, and people I go come forth and talk as if like say, well then, here we go. The Prime Minister not involved in nothing. And him clear from the Integrity Commission, but yet still, yeah, bring the Integrity Commission a quote. You will bring the integrity commission go court and you and make it be known. Our people will follow you. You understand? But you see, one thing me can tell you, brethren, you know, follow labor right, because I'm telling you, you see, this fight is a hard fight, and Andrew Holness don't want to come out of power because he know what going to happen to him. So you see, who no want to sit down and not try to get the people and to vote when the next election come. But I'm buy time to make it look like say him clean to go in the next election. Because at the end of the day, when you have a judiciary review, you're gonna say we need to come prove this and prove that. But at the end of the day, I think that whenever you have, you see, and that is the reason why I'm putting Dalrymple back, you know. Because he want to prove to say, well, then Dalrymple have a case of court and she's still a member of parliament. So he make sure put her back to test the water. We see how Jamaica people are going to react, and we don't say nothing. So him know say, alright, when him get in judicial review and I got court, him can still be the Prime Minister. Yeah, it's a good tool. It's a good tool for sure. Say, well then, yeah, him have something. But Mama P case not done yet. You see Mama P still court same way. What the man I talk about, man? Step aside and come back before the case done. So why you better step aside then? Better you stay. It's a good tool in a bowl. Don't get me wrong, you know. But Chua Jen come up and say my faith in the justice system. And me I try to show him say, listen, that way you are said doesn't make no sense right there, sir. It's a gamble. Prime Minister take a gamble. And the gamble is that him a gamble for see if him can tell people say, listen, me innocent, because them always have a saying say innocent until proved guilty. It's just that we know him have a case before the court. So him a use it for say, well then him innocent. You understand me I say? Until proved guilty. So when election call, that would be theme thing. Say, well then me innocent, that's why I bring them to court. Even though him know him guilty. And it would be the PNP weapon now for proof say this man have a case to answer to him statutory declaration, because if he never have a case to answer to, him would bring them to court. Because without bringing them to court, cannot stop what is coming towards him. So when you hear the JLP then actually come on this, right? Make it sound like say there was no findings in the Integrity Commission report. Why is it that the Prime Minister is bringing the Integrity Commission to court? If there's no report there to whatsoever. You understand? And I guess a lot of people that really check and see what really are going on. Them quick to come and, oh, boy, them have to go Integrity Commission, have to go prove what them have. The proof is all there. The Prime Minister have a little money when he can't explain. The Prime Minister don't want to provide in finances, and this is where now we're going to say in finances might have to go provide. But the thing about it is that we don't even look on the end game. We don't even look on the end game on the case. We look on the delay tactics. So even though it's a good tool for the PNP, you have to use it wisely. Because him put that in place because him knows say, number one, the illicit 8 names might reveal before the next general election. You understand what I say? So when him do that now, meanwhile the name them are released, everybody are going to want judicial review. You see how that stay though? By time to lead in the next general election, we can sit in a parliament. Because remember, I know, if the Prime Minister is criminally charged, him have to resign immediately, you know. You understand what I say? If the Prime Minister is criminally charged, he must resign immediately. He know that. A Prime Minister can't run a country with a criminal record. So you see why am I hold on now? So the next move is now to push the constitution reform. You understand what I say? This man next move is to push the constitutional reform. So even though we are looking towards the end game of all of this, all of this man, let's say him win. There will be no end game other than delay until we get a new constitution, and then the prime minister becomes the president or whosoever they want to put at that part when them put. You understand? And so forth. So you know, I don't understand why people look at it like so well then yo, this is the best result. A bad result to me. Like prime minister supposed to get charged. Even though we can choose, it's a 50-50. Same way, it's just always going to be a 50-50. Well, who is the prosecutor? Mr. Vice. Yeah, what I say. Because I'm sure no say FID and the tax administration, right? You cannot prosecute somebody who cannot produce information. So you have to try and find a way how to get that information. So if me come now me and investigate the prime minister, this is simple what happened. We are investigate the prime minister. We know say look like something alright. And we say, alright, Mr. Prime Minister, what go on? We realize say you have a little bit more money and a whole bit more things. What go on? Oh, you come by this money, source of funds, and you're right back and say you're not produce information. Then you leave them no choice but to use a agency that will get this information without the permission of the prime minister. That is called FID. So when Jamaica people actually I say, why them not charge him? Why them not charge him? There will be a charge when the FID investigate and get the information what them need. But the Integrity Commission cannot dig for the information what them need. Them can only ask for the information what them need. So technically what them do was a very smart tactics. Use an overseas place that the government of Jamaica don't know and investigate the prime minister. When them get this place now, to investigate the prime minister now, and them get the report, then them now can channel the FID and the TAJ where them want to investigate. So them basically don't have a sketch. I know say alright, something shady with the accountant. We want to pull up all of the money transact through the accountant from 2021 to 2024. Them something we can't erase. No matter where you try, that cannot erase. And these are the things that the Prime Minister try to hide from the public. Because then and there, we will know how much money transferred through him account and run through him account from 2021 to 2024. It could be trillions. Then now we are going to know, so how you as a Prime Minister will never have so much income, have trillions of future account. Where you going to try to tell me, say, you just move money from this account to that the account they dry, put it back to the account they dry, put it back. No, I don't say it work. That is what they might try to do with the same $400 million talk about an interbanking transfer. So what if there were withdrawals? And that is what FID now would investigate and find out the withdrawals. When money withdraw, what go on if money transfer to other accounts and these kind of things. What go on with the whole financial thing. The next thing what them need now is for tax evasion. The Prime Minister is suspected of doing tax evasion. And that is a serious thing. That I don't know a joke thing. You understand? Tax evasion. See them gone over here so over one of them step life.